Slow down, unplug, take time to breathe. Look up in the sky. Quiet, calm night. Shooting stars. I'm gently walking in the woods. I appreciate this time to connect with myself in the silence. I appreciate beauty of the world. Breathe naturally and slowly. As your thoughts wander, simply return your attention to your breath. Your breath flows gently in and out of your body without any effort. Acknowledge your thoughts and focus again. Interruptions are normal. Just let these thoughts go and bring your attention back to your being. I accept myself as a spiritual being. I am in my awareness. Being calm and relaxed. I reflect to my safe space, which I have discovered within.